thank you for joining us today for Video I in our A to Z series. Today, we'll be looking at increased trust in healthcare. Now, trust between patients and healthcare providers or others who communicate health information is fundamental. Trust as a cornerstone of effective healthcare delivery has several critical impacts. Trust fosters open, honest communication. When trust is cultivated, patients are more likely to share information about their symptoms, concerns, and lifestyle, which allows for more accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment plans to be developed. In turn, if patients trust where they are receiving their healthcare advice from, they're more likely to follow through on prescribed treatment or medications and better manage their chronic conditions. Trust further allows patients to feel comfortable and at ease in healthcare settings and in situations where they're just generally learning about how to approach a health condition. When someone feels like they have a reliable source who also has their well-being in mind, they will likely be less stressed and anxious when learning of their situation and their options, giving them a sense of security and confidence in their care. Trust also enables those communicating important health information to continue doing so with the knowledge and the confidence that their audience is receptive and open, creating encouragement and affirmation from medical communicators that this information is actively being received and improving people's lives. Strategies for building this trust with patients may include showing empathy and compassion through active listening and giving your full attention when patients are expressing their emotions and concerns, and giving them really a comfortable and private environment to do so. This will help patients feel valued and supported while their privacy is still respected. Being consistent and reliable and following through on promises and commitments, as well as providing timely follow-up to address concerns promptly, is another great way to build trust with patients. Involving patients in every step of the decision-making process also shows them that you respect them and care to include their perspective and values in that process. It shows you have a commitment to providing personalized care that suits their lifestyle specifically. It's also important to respect patient autonomy, and this lets them know that they have full power to make healthcare decisions for themselves and that you respect those decisions even if they're different from what you've recommended to them. Now, the benefits you might see from this increased trust in patient outcomes might include better adherence to treatment plans, as patients who trust their providers are more likely to do what they are told and follow the advice they're given to manage their health conditions. This can then lead to improved health outcomes. Trust encourages patients to take an active role in their healthcare, including participating in decision-making and following through on preventative measures, improving their engagement throughout the healthcare journey. Trust leads possibly to a sense of comfort, reducing the potential stress and anxiety that a patient may feel and creating a more positive environment for their healing and recovery. Last, patients who trust their providers are also more likely to seek care at the appropriate times, which can prevent unnecessary emergency visits and hospitalizations and further reduce any stress that that patient might feel. Trust is the foundation of effective healthcare, and if you want to learn more about how you can build trust with patients, you can check out the link we've provided to a 2022 interview from the American Medical Association on strengthening patient trust in physicians and health systems. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope to see you next time for our video on the letter J.